Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together.
We're back.
Back again.
Tell a friend.
Like we never left.
Tell another friend.
We're here for more fall favorites, as I like to say.
It's a season
To be a reason.
Listen,
Reason.
this is the season of drinking with your friends. You know what I'm saying? Hey, friends.
Hey, friends. Family.
I got all my sisters with me. All right, so we are going to make the Fall Sangria.
Fall Sangria.
Darling, bring it on.
So what I will do is I will walk through the ingredients and then we will assemble, okay?
Okay.
As you can see, we have sliced up apple.
Apple.
We have sliced up oranges.
Oranges.
We have some cinnamon sticks up front.
Cinnamon sticks.
We have our pitcher, because that's what matters with ice.
And a little bit of ice. We don't dilute nothing.
Yeah, we're not trying to dilute this.
Not at all.
We have our maple syrup.
Big maple.
We have we have our white wine, okay?
The
And we are
Moscato.
doubling this, so yes, there are 2 bottles right here. We have our bourbon whiskey.
Bourbon.
And we have our apple cider.
Apple cider.
So let's get into this. Yes.
Get
Anthony,
into
would you
it.
do me the favor of just putting our fresh ingredients into our pitcher?
Sure, Amber. I would love to do that.
Oh, thank you, so kind.
So we're gonna start with the apples.
Yes. You know,
Oh.
here's the thing. When you slice
A
it
little bit of
up,
force.
maybe measure it just a smidge, but that's okay. You see how it got in there. It got in there.
We're gonna do it, boo boo.
Johnny, Appleseed. All right.
Oh, we gotta see here.
Oh, yeah, she's trying to make sure we don't choke. We appreciate that.
Like the previous seasons.
Ooh,
So we're gonna start our lovely oranges.
Orange. Wait.
Oranges, not a
It's so
hundred.
beautiful how she cut it.
Yeah, I
And
tried
don't
that.
worry if you're worried about is the liquid ingredients gonna make it? Yes,
It always
is.
make it.
Not today.
Thank you so
We
much.
had no worries.
Everything's gonna
Be alright.
We're gonna put one of our containers of cinnamon sticks in here, and we're gonna use we're gonna use the other
Cinnamon is
for
definitely good for you.
So that in there as
Smell
such.
one. Let me smell one.
Yeah, go ahead and smell one of them.
Cinnamon.
Okay, so
I'm
let's
so
get into
excited.
this.
I'm so excited.
The original recipe calls for 1 bottle of white wine, but
We can just go
We
ahead
don't
and do so.
dilute and we double it. Look, that's what I like. And wait, that don't sound right.
Oh my God! Wow!
so our pitcher might be
Just let it go. Okay.
Wow.
Just take a drink, Amber. You just take a drink. Come on.
Wow.
Put her in the cup.
Okay, so what had happened was our pitcher is small.
We just gonna take a
we
look.
ain't put the other ingredients in
We're
yet.
gonna take some back. Amber.
Yo, when I tell you, I'm over here just telling cuz.
How much we need?
You pouring it out for the side.
I'm
That's
the one that's
fine.
gonna sit in the back seat while they
Want me
drive.
to just
So this is what we're gonna
Take
do.
another red cup, please.
You sure
Cause
can?
I mean, I could drink this one.
No, we're
Are you sure?
No, I promise you.
We
all
don't
these
waste
things-
anything, guys.
We don't waste any of this.
Any of
this is
this.
gonna go bad. What happened
Moscato
was
is my favorite.
This is all
Moscato, just send it to the soy. I'll take it out for the show.
with a cinnamon.
okay.
It's still good.
Children, what had happened was capacity issue. This is called a capacity issue,
It's called trial and error. Everybody do
and
it.
we didn't realize.
It's called Women Together That's Already Lushing.
Lushin for the flushing.
That's what.
Ma'am.
Wait a minute.
Flushing is later when it goes through the system.
Sorry about that, guys.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So we don't just know we're gonna utilize those ingredients later. Never fear. So
Get drink.
Maybe not 2 bottles, maybe 1.5.
Yeah, well, if you have a
Depending on your
massive
picture.
If you have the appropriate picture.
Whatever the
you should do that.
ancestors tell you.
Just get a couple gallon picture.
Actually, let
couple
me
of
start
gallons.
with completely with our alcoholic beverages, and then because that's what matters.
How much are you gonna put on
Try to
this?
fill the picture. What do you mean?
3 ounces of the bourbon.
Yes, I
Okay,
am.
bourbon.
Because if you're just doing this for a small group of people, you want to do 1.5 ounces of bourbon. We're
For
doing
one
3.
picture, but
We like to share.
we don't
So I'm just
dilute.
gonna-
You're supposed to add like more ice to it, but we don't do that.
We don't dilute over her.
That's it.
No,
Lush.
she was so upset.
She's
She
blushing.
literally said, "Is that it?" Like, did y'all?
She was
peep
really
that?
upset.
Oh my gosh.
My bad.
Okay.
These oranges look so delicious.
So 1.5 cups of apple cider.
Marinate, man. Don't you just like when it marinates like that?
So here's the 1 cup. Child, we might have to modify those.
Give me that Moscato. We can put some water out up in there. You gotta do double.
Half of this.
Yeah.
Why she just use that?
I'm gonna smack you because I'm not trying to create a mess.
Get that Moscato, because this is looking like, is that all the ingredients? We need
Maple
the
syrup. But
Yeah.
that's syrup, so that's 2 ounces of our.
Well, we're gonna put the respected ingredients and directions in the comment section.
Girl, did you open this before? Because the struggle is real.
No,
I can
ma'am.
help you with that.
It's signature high seal delivered.
Incredible.
Yeah, I mean the struggle was really epic.
My bad.
There you go. Look at this. It has the amber color rich taste.
Amber.
Come on now. You better come on.
It's meant for
You better come on, Amber.
It's meant
Amber.
for
You better come on, Amber. Put that maple up in there,
So what
Amber.
you saying is it's light skin. That's what you saying.
Just a little
Why
bit.
would we? Well, she
Just a little bit. Yeah. Hold on, wait a minute. I gotta
little
watch what I'm saying.
fan. She gotta get on.
Amber, just go ahead and do the thing,
Still
girl.
love you though.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So we need some more Moscato.
I'm so excited.
Should I need some?
No, you can put just a little bit of, okay? Just a little bit.
There you go.
Did you say
Why does she yell at it though when she
It's just giving it some love.
we need?
Come on in.
did she yell? Why did she yell at it though? That's the
We
part.
got no.
Just stir it up.
Oh, we stuck.
Stir it up. Oh yeah. I gotta drink this
All
to get some
right,
more
hold
coffee.
on.
What's that? Bobby Womack? Johnny Gill?
I just needed to stir this a little bit before I take my seat, child, because
Your seat? You already sitting, sis?
I'm actually not.
Oh my.
I stood up because it was
You get some of that
situation.
Moscato?
Nah.
All right. All right.
Oh.
Can somebody pass me a separate cup because I had to use mine to.
Some Moscato?
Yeah.
You can just drink it.
Well,
We don't waste
yes.
nothing, Amber.
We don't waste it, but if I'm going to taste the said
I done already took my Moscato, but you can go ahead. Give her that cup.
what are you trying to say? You want me to just chug
If you
it?
stir it, say you stir.
Oh my.
What is happening?
This is
Put some fruit in yours.
Man,
Yes,
what
girl.
would?
I'm just making sure you're not missing anything.
I'm gonna put some cinnamon sticks on mine.
You want to put the top in and take it off, put it back in?
Put the top
Nah,
on
I'm
and
just going.
I'm straining my joint. I ain't about to give me some Johnny Appleseed.
Wow.
I need to get a fruit in mine. Can we get a little bit of orange? Ooh, baby. Ooh, you think I can pick up an apple?
Maybe.
Yeah, you might be able to.
Yeah. Get the full effect, guys.
I need to strain mine because I'm not about to choke on no
Are you
seeds.
bougie much?
I ain't choking on no seeds, big dog.
If you want a little extra cinnamon, well, I do want some fruits, but I just,
Y'all better act like y'all know.
I want some fruit, but I don't want to
Would you like
die
one of these?
trying. Huh?
They're thin, so would you like a stick of cinnamon?
Oh yeah, of course.
yeah, get you some of that.
Stick it to me.
I got a little bit of boogers on this, so I've been picking boogers.
Boogers.
I don't know what's happening, but
You need some help?
If you could just pass the fruits this way when you are done.
Oh.
Well,
She's fighting with the fruits. One moment.
I don't know. Well, so I'm
Wait
kind
one
of,
second
I'm a little bit
now.
nervous because I feel like that means I'm not gonna have too much success. Wait.
I got
You know
your
what?
back, sister girl. Come on, I'll give you some.
hey no.
This is trials and tribulations right now.
Man,
The fork. I don't need no apple.
it's a fork on the other side.
Wait, you guys. Oh,
I feel so stupid.
It says in 1, 2,
I'm under the
3
influence.
drinks. How many would you like 2?
Two, sure, yeah. We'll go with,
No, she
whatever
did.
you can procure.
better
Whatever you can
sure.
procure, because what is happening?
Okay. I'm getting
Okay,
a little orange.
this was a lot. Like, who would have thunk it? Sangria would be the one that had us looking.
Did you say funk it?
Did you have a one of each?
Yeah, kinda. Okay.
I mean,
so much.
it's definitely giving fall vibes as far as under the nose. I can smell it.
She has the lid.
Okay, so we made it, guys. We made it. She wanted hers extra stirred, okay? And I'm not upset. Okay, so let's taste it.
Red cups, because this is a
Solo.
cookout.
Solo.
Fall cookout.
Amber,
Right?
you didn't bump me.
My bad.
okay,
My
sis.
bad.
Okay.
Yup. It's
like
giving
it.
fall. It is
I like
giving
that.
fall.
I think it's
I like
the
this.
cinnamon that gives it the fall.
Yes, yes,
It's
yes.
very much,
This is good.
It's giving very much good.
I like this. Me like it.
Just imagine the fruits marinating for a while.
Put it in my mason jar.
Oh, this is so good.
It is very
Guys,
tasty,
yes.
delicioso.
This is so good.
Guys, I like this. I really do.
We'll break it down, Ebony.
You're our guest.
Okay, go ahead. The smell is rather lavishing.
Oh, she said lavishing.
The taste is pretty cinnamony, of course. The fruits are giving very much good flavor. I'm gonna have to give this a 10, guys. This one won my heart.
Won her heart.
It won her
It
heart.
won my heart. I won't even. It's going home tonight.
I'm not mad at that. Brie!
Where?
Okay, you want you go first.
She's recuperating.
trying to progress.
She's eating apples.
Progress, digest. No, digest. Go ahead.
Okay, so we talk about sangrias all the time, and everybody always thinks of things that remind them of spring and summer, right? Like you about to be out
This is
and ready.
really good.
But you know, it's nice to have a version of this when we are now inside because it's a little nippy outside.
Yes, it is. It warms you up.
I feel like the ingredients are definitely seasonal and fresh, okay?
And it's giving very much flavor.
The
Flavor
flavor,
is
I would
everything.
say, is really hitting. It's not overpowered by one
I'm done.
ingredient.
For your audacity.
I'm sorry. It was good.
She didn't give a rating.
She does
She was
this
very close.
on a regular basis. I be in the mid of my thought and hear this guzzleton go.
Guzzleton.
Okay, over here just go, go, go. And then I'm just over here trying to say my
bad.
thought.
All right, now I'm about to eat. Go ahead.
Did you say go, go, go?
I said what I said.
Oh my God.
Who's that poking?
It's a 9. It's a 9 is what I was alluding to. Because it's very flavorful. It gives you the heat that you need for fall time because as you know, we are in our colder months, okay? So that means that we need something that's gonna warm us up.
Yes,
The
I know.
bourbon does that for us, right?
Yeah.
Whatever bourbon you choose to use, that's fine. We use Wild Turkey, that's a classic, okay? And you pair that with your white wine of your choosing.
We
your
chose
maple syrup.
Moscato. Moscato was very good with
Very
this.
good for us.
Right.
Sangria.
And
Yes.
then I'm saying, even if you chose to do like a drier white wine, the maple syrup I think would
You know what?
compensate.
It would-
You're absolutely
it would-
right about that. I think that would.
It would scale it out,
I think so.
I think the syrup will
level it
complement.
out, guys.
Yes.
It would level it out. I'm
So
sorry, I
what would
could
you
not
what would
think
you
of the
put
word.
one of the ones that we did today?
I would
No,
not.
you
the
go
wines?
either way.
I would not
either
put
way,
that,
right?
I would not put that Malbec in there.
No, that's a red. So
Yeah, I
for
wouldn't
this
put
particular
that.
recipe,
We were gonna
it's,
do white.
it's definitely calling for a white wine. So
I would
we
do
can establish that.
Riesling would be good with this.
The Riesling?
Yeah.
Riesling.
Sorry, too many drinks.
No, you good.
Riesling,
And
Riesling,
the
Riesling,
the
Riesling.
Riesling is a sweeter one, but I think it could work here too.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
it'll be great with this.
Yeah.
I agree.
So again, I know y'all want to get into this. Let us know what you would think of this when you try it, okay? You know the deal. Like,
Comment,
Comment.
subscribe.
subscribe.
Tell a
Get
friend
into
and
this.
tell a friend and share it on your Instagram story, baby.
Once again, we want to thank Chris Hubbard
Thank you, Chris.
for letting us use his facilities.
Yes,
His
his space,
socials are
yes.
in our description
Down
so
below.
that you can follow him and get to know more about his business.
Mm-hmm.
But We love y'all, and we will see you the next time, okay?
Yeah.
But you, in the meantime, you let us know how you feel about this drink.
If y'all want to see me back again, just let them know. Anytime, baby, I'll come back and lay it down for y'all.
Let
So
us
just let
know.
them know down below if y'all want to see me again, because
And
I
make
will
sure
be back.
y'all follow Chris Hubbard, the Ultimate Electronic Solutions. UES. Ultimate_electronics_solutions for Instagram.
She said it.
For all your AV needs.
AV, baby.
Yes, get into it.
Damn.
And without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and lush.
Let it on. And make sure y'all ring that bell.
Ring the bell,
So
baby.
you won't miss a upload.
You don't want to miss this episode, baby.
Not for now. Now I'm about to go over here and give me something to eat now.
We need to eat. It's time to eat.